Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by assembling optics and filters because the result depends on component quality. Mount your camera on a tripod, then place the polarizer to reduce reflections. This stabilizes contrast. Next, cut the green gel to frame size and layer it over the lens. The gel provides the visible green hue that our eyes associate with night vision. Once done, secure the IR pass filter behind the gel. That filter blocks visible light and favors near-infrared, enhancing sensor sensitivity for darker scenes. Now you create a tight, light-sealed stack because stray light negates the effect. Start with the polarizer on the outermost element. It controls glare from bright highlights. Place the green gel next to it to tint the image, then press the IR pass filter closest to the lens mount so the sensor receives more near-infrared. Make sure edges overlap and tape seams with black tape. This prevents ghosting. After assembling, check focus and set manual exposure. Boost ISO only enough to avoid excessive noise. Finish by calibrating and capturing so your filter produces usable footage. Set white balance toward green to reinforce the night vision look. Then record short test clips at several ISO and shutter combinations so you understand noise versus motion blur. If scenes are too dark, add a low-power IR illuminator rather than cranking ISO. If you see flare or double images, make sure seams are taped and try offsetting layers slightly. This reduces internal reflections and restores contrast quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.